Here's a quick test of a countertop dishwasher. It's a portable one, has some weight to it, so it's probably better as a countertop one, but could be used in really anything, a boat, an RV, a camper, or just on top of your kitchen for smaller items, or a bar or something like that. A lot of uses. Powered on, which it already is on. Open it up here. Wheel that out. The way I have it set up right now is I'm using the onboard tank, so you could fill it up directly from here. It comes with included pitcher, or I'm close enough to the sink where I could kind of just pull it right over. I'm also connected the discharge hose, so this is like the dirty water, all the dirty water and stuff that's going to come out right into the sink here. There is a water, that's the other method. If you want to hook it up directly to water, it'll pull when it needs it, so you don't have to use the tank. So you have either option. And then there's a regular plug to plug it in. Shot of the size here. Filling it up right now, right from the faucet. And what will happen is it'll beep 3 times really fast and loud enough for you to hear it, and then you would stop filling it. It knows it's at capacity. Comes with a few accessories. This is like the fruit wash basket. It has a 20-minute hard fruit washing capability where it'll just really use cold water and wash the fruit, and you can use this basket for that. And there's some accessories just for, you know, dishes and stuff and different setups there. Also comes with a water hose as well if you want to do a direct connection. I'm doing a pretty light load, so probably use the rapid wash setting. This little indentation is where you're going to put some of the detergent. I don't need that much. Just like that. Push that in, just like any other dishwasher. And then we'll close the door. I still have the plastic wrap on here, that's why it's like that. And then I'm gonna have the UV setting on, so I'm gonna push that. I'm gonna do an air refresh, which is gonna let it dry better at the end. Rapid wash, not gonna do the hygiene one because I have glass in there. I don't wanna get too hot. It's 40 minutes, and then we're going to start. What it starts to do is pump the water in there. Heats it up and everything too. We're off.